if you're a parent, a teacher, maybe even a childminder, you're probably looking for fun activities for the children in your care to do and to support their learning. But you probably also don't have hours to spend searching for activities, planning what to do, or printing huge activity packs. And this is why I have created the Playful Learning Library. The Playful Learning Library is a growing membership for caregivers that have children aged 3 to 8. It's designed to help build language, literacy, and early learning skills through play, stories, and creativity. Playful Learning Library is organized into 52 weekly themes, covering seasonal topics, children's interests, and everyday learning. Every theme includes a simple 7-day plan, and I've already chosen the activities for you, and there's a different way to learn and play every single day. You don't have to do every one, do them in order, mix them up, spread them over several weeks, or just choose your favorites. If you want more choice, head on over to the print and play section that's underneath every single topic within the membership. Within print and play, you have the choice of a growing collection of printables, including games, literacy activities, vocabulary activities, fine motor skills, creative printables, and more. Everything is in here that you can pick and choose, download, and print at home. So the 7-day plan gives you a small selection when you don't want to choose, whereas Print and Play gives you access to the full collection of resources. This is an example of our 7-day activity plan. Inside, you can see that we have our themes and we have our daily activities. Everything is in one easy to download file, so all you have to do is click download and print at home for your children in your care to use. When it comes to our print and play activities, you can simply go through, click the activity that you'd like, and then download. Again, you can then access whichever pages it is that you want to print and use at home or within your education setting. The next section's called Read. Inside Read, you will find a list of carefully selected fiction and non-fiction books that complement every single theme. It makes it easy then to explore the theme through stories. What about if you're feeling creative? Well, inside Creative, we have hands-on activities and crafts that you can make together. Often there might be a video that shows you how to make the craft, and you'll have the download files to the right-hand side, or if you're on mobile, at the bottom. Our crafts are really easy to follow and super simple for you to download. Every single craft has its own file, and it has instructions of what you need to do in order to create it. Finally, we have Explore. Explore shows you how everything can come together within one theme. Each theme has a learning table that brings together the books, printables, hands-on resources, and sensory play to create an open-ended invitation for children to discover, play, and learn. You'll see that there is a guide provided every single week, and this provides you with ideas of what you could do to recreate this at home. But of course, if you don't have these resources, that's absolutely okay. Make sure to utilize what is available to you in your environment. You don't have to recreate my setup or buy the things that you see. They're for inspiration only. So use what you already have and create something that works for you. To help you find everything that you need that's inside the membership, you can use the Launchpad. This is a spreadsheet with links to every resource that is inside the membership. You can click through on the weekly themes, and these will take you directly through to that week's learning inside the membership. Or you can check out the monthly calendar with some extra seasonal themes and activities. Finally, we have the Activity Finder. You can use the find function or go through as everything's in alphabetical order to find what it is that you want to download, and the links will be here to take you straight to that resource inside your membership. The Playful Learning Library isn't just another curriculum that you have to keep up with. You're not expected to print everything out inside your membership. If you need a week plan for you, great. Choose one of the 7-day plans inside. Maybe you just want a quick activity. That's okay too. Just find a printable that you're looking for, download, and print at home. What about if you want to get creative? Well, that's okay too. You can just choose one of the crafts that's inside the membership. Want something hands-on? Then create your own learning table and sensory tray setup. using the inspiration guide to help you. The Playful Learning Library gives you choice when you want it and a simple plan when you don't. If you'd like playful learning ideas ready for whenever you need them, then you can join the Playful Learning Library today. I'll see you inside. Happy learning!